Hi, welcome back again to another hair tip. So on today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your coils, your curly hair pop like this, how to define your coils. And you just only need these three products. Once you have these three products, get yourself a jar, an empty jar. Place these three products inside the empty jar, and after mixing, you are going to add a little bit of water because we do not want a thick paste. Once you add your water, you are going to shake it for the product to mix together and you are good to go. Join me, let's style my PC coils together. So this is how it's looking right now. Let's style it. Once you finish styling your curly hair, the next thing you are going to be adding is your oil and heat resistant. This is how it's looking after hydrating, moisturizing, and sealing in the moisture. So I'm going to show you guys the finished look, the final look for this hair. It looks small now, right? So I'm going to show you guys how it looks after this. What you are going to do after hydrating, moisturizing, and seal in the moisture. Once it's dry, do not comb it. Yeah, do not comb it. Just bring the wig, then turn it inside. Okay, like so. Then what you are going to do is to just do like this. Then let's see how it is. You see? Do not put comb on the wig. This is how I do mine. When you notice that it's still a little bit small and not full, just repeat the process you did before. So like this. Let's put it on and see how it's looking. Your coils are still intact and it's so soft. One thing you don't want to do while reviving your coils, do not add hair mousse. That is the worst thing you ever do to your curly hair, because once it gets dry, you are going to see it's going to be, your hair will feel dry. Okay, so the only thing you need on your curly hair is your water, your leave-in conditioner, your oil, and the last thing is your heat resistor, because now you'll be going under the sun and you do not want the sun to damage your hair. I know you guys don't know this. Always spray in your heat resistant, even if you are not using hot comb or stretcher. Always use it on your curly in case you are going to enter the sun. Okay, so this is how it's looking. And for that, if you always use your heat resistant, you are going to see the top of your hair is not going to change color. Now if you notice, the top of your hair and inside, if you raise your hair, has two different colors. Reason why is because the sun is hitting this place and the sun is not hitting inside. So it's always good to spray in your heat resistant. It's not only when you are stretching your hair you use heat resistant. Always spray heat resistant when you are done styling your curly hair. Then just spray it and you are good to go. So yeah, this is it. This is how it's looking, and I so much love it. Just look at the coils to see. So yeah, I have had this for the past 5 years. Yes, you heard right.